Welcome to OFFEO. In this video, we will be showing you how to quickly replace images in your design. Replacing all images can be a useful tool if you are starting with a template. Click on the empty space outside of the canvas to deselect any layers. You will see the Replace All Images option at the top panel. Quickly replace existing images with your uploaded images by dragging and dropping them. As simple as that. These replaced images will take on the original properties such as animation and size of the layer. With this function, you can quickly replace the images of the other scene as well. That's all for this video. Till next time!